Annika. I'm very happy because this is a really, really different video. Sorry about the lighting. Just gonna try and change it. Okay, I set up the lighting. I'm sorry about it's so bad, but I made my very own website. Okay, I'll show you. So, this is it. So it's called Kawaii Squishy Shop. So first, this is the home page, and go press to shop, because I'm going to be selling squishies. So press to shop. These 4 ones are they're the squishies. So slow rising bun squishy, soft steam bun squishy, squishy face bun, soft banana squishy. So if you click on one of these, for example this one, you're gonna get given with this, and then it's a very delicious photo, but that's not the actual thing. And then I'm just gonna type in something random. Just choose one on quantity, because I only have one of these. And then add to cart. And then view cart. Then just leave it as one, and then go and check out. These can, you can do it on any one of those. I'm going to be adding more squishies. And I just took that away. So I really hope that, I just have to show you guys something. So I'm going to show you the packaging which it'll be in. Sometimes it'll be in a box, and sometimes, most of the time it'll be in this, because I'm going to be selling small squishies, but one is really big. And soon I'm getting one jumbo eye bloom peach. I only could get one, so yeah. These, I'm going to make sure that there's no defects. My shop is actually very high quality, so you don't have to worry. I don't scam at all. And there are allowed refunds if you are not happy with what you've got. And then there's going to be note. And if you get a package, I'll send you what you got and how much it cost. So this is the big slow rising one. So this is they do cost money. And, I just covered this up because underneath it's my address, and I already knew that. I glued this on because I knew that I was gonna make a video. It's just a peek of my address, but yeah, I did glue it on. And then I'll show you how I package my stuff. So, God, I just fell. Trying to get through here, but I can't. So first then it's depending on how many squishies you buy and how big the squishies are. You'll get it in a box. So first, around the squishy to keep it safe, there's gonna be like this cloth-like material. Next, it will be sealed in a plastic bag. Next, depending on which size your squishies are, I have two different types. This and this. You're gonna have it like in one of those. And I'm going to get Punimaru squishies, iBloom squishies, so I'm going to get a lot of more squishies so you guys can buy at my website. So I'm just going to give them away, but for money. Shipping, most shipping is like free, so the shipping is free, I guess. But please buy from my shop. I don't really have a bank account, but still, it might go like to one of my parents' bank accounts. But it's a very good shop. The link to the shop is in the description, and I really hope you enjoy it.